And we are following now breaking news out of our nation's capital. Heavy rains causing widespread flash flooding across the Washington, D.C. area. You're looking at some pictures here. Cars not able to move through this water. Some people swimming to safety. Several roads have been flooded. Police and fire teams have been forced to rescue stranded drivers. During the morning commute today, we're told downed tree and mudslides are also a concern right now. But some unbelievable pictures coming from there. Obviously, this flash flooding is a huge concern, as some people do try to swim through this to safety. It can get them into a lot of trouble.
When we came on the air about 2.5 hours ago, Kevin Cork was a reporter on the North Lawn, and Sandra, you could hear the rain.
Yeah.
Hitting the tent where he was reporting live from. And so that's the result of the system we're seeing. In addition to this, not just the roads and people driving through standing water, which you always say don't do it, but it's a hard thing to do when you're trying to get to work in the morning and you think, I have to make another 30 feet across this little minor lake in the road, but you never know how deep those roads are, and that's when you get into trouble. In addition, on Capitol Hill, there are trains that run and connect the office buildings for senators and members of the House, and what you have there are the train system on the House side. Apparently, the water got so deep that was disrupted earlier today. In fact, Chad Pergram, a few of the others working the Hill for us today, were sending a bit of information along on that today. So it's covering the area, and it's a big system right now to deal with.
In some areas, 3 to 4 inches of rain in an hour. Some of those areas obviously have seen the water gradually recede, but as you know, people do take risks at this time. It is a life-threatening situation in some areas. Authorities there have put out warnings, do not try to swim to safety. You've seen images of people standing on their cars. All happened very quickly, and to your point, Bill, during the morning rush, during the morning commute, these flood waters, they were rising fast, and that rain was coming down hard.
Yeah, oftentimes when you get this flash flooding, we see it in different parts of the country, but it comes without warning, and it comes hard and fast, and that's what they're dealing with so far. Some of these rescues are now underway, and just looking for a bit more information from our affiliates in Washington. We'll bring you those to you in a moment, but watching that car being towed away, you have to think that scene and scenes like this in the National Mall are repeated consistently throughout our nation's capital today.
So the Washington area is still under a flash flood warning. Heavy rain in some areas it continues, some areas it has stopped, but the flash flood warning is in effect until 1:45 p.m. local time. That's another 2 hours from now. So life-threatening situation there, and look at these images coming in. That's a UPS truck where you can see the water bill coming up almost halfway.